Objective mineralogy, multiple choice questions with answers. So these are the questions which are collected from previous question papers. And these are also useful for various competitive exams like the CSR NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. This is the welcome to set 1. First question, which one of the following is a layer silicate? This is the question which has asked in Technical Assistant Exams 2011. So choices are A. Muscovite, B. Garnet, C. Hornblende, D. Quartz. So obviously the answer is A. Muscovite. It is a layer silicate. Coming to the second question, pyrite by oxidation changes to. The choices are A. Marcasite, B. Limonite, C. Arsenopyrite and D. Cobaltite. So the correct answer is A. Marcasite. Pyrite and marcasite have the same chemical composition FeS2. Coming to the third question, black variety of tourmaline mineral is. The choices are A. Scroll, B. Rubellite, C. Dravite, D. Elabite. So the correct answer is A. Scroll. Scroll is a black variety of tourmaline. Fourth question, in which system barite crystallizes? Barite or barytes. So the choices are A. Monoclinic, B. Orthorhombic, C. Hexagonal, D. Cubic. So the correct answer is B. Orthorhombic. Coming to the fifth question, low temperature variety of potash feldspar mineral is. So this is the question which is asked in technical assistant exam. So the choices are A. Orthoclase, B. Adularia, C. Microcline, D. Sanidine. So the correct answer is B. Adularia. It is a low temperature variety of potash feldspar. Coming to the sixth question, the typical type of twinning exhibited by plagioclase feldspars is. Choices are A. Penetration twin, B. Contact twin, C. Polysynthetic twin, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Polysynthetic twin. Seventh question, when minerals occur as a slender and rigid like needles forms, so these are called as. Choices are A. Reniform, B. Globular form, C. Fibrous form and D. Acicular form. So the correct answer is D. Acicular form. So this is the acicular form or a habit in which the minerals they will occur as a rigid and they occur in the form of a needles. Coming to the eighth question, the hardness of topazes. So this is a very straight question. So the choices are A 8, B 7, C 9, D 5. The correct answer is A 8. Coming to the ninth question, those minerals which have like optical properties in all directions are known as. So the choices are A. Anisotropic, B. Biaxial, C. Isotropic and D. None of these. So the correct answer is C. Isotropic. So these isotropic minerals, they will have the optical properties in all directions. Coming to the 10th question, the polymorph of calcite is. So choices are A. Barite, B. Dolomite, C. Siderite, D. None of this. So here no one will serve as a polymorph of calcite. So here the answer is none of these. Coming to the 11th question, the silicon and oxygen ratio in isosilicates is A. 1:2, B. 1:4, and C. 2:7, and D. 4:11. So the correct answer is B. 1:4. So here in isosilicates 1:4, that is silicon and oxygen, or the ratio is 1:4, and the good examples are garnet, topaz, and olivine. All these are the examples of isosilicates. Coming to the 12th question, which of the following is a refractory mineral? So the choices are A. Asbestos, B. Talc, C. Sillimanite, and D. None of these. So the correct answer is C. Sillimanite. Coming to the 13th question, an example of an idioblastic crystal is. The choices are A. Epidote, B. Spear, C. Quartz, D. Feldspar. So the correct answer is A. Epidote. Idioblastic crystal means it will have the shapes in all directions. The uniform size is there. So here the excellent example for an idioblastic crystal is epidote. Coming to the next question, fibrous form is characteristic for which mineral? So the choices are, this was the question asked in BHU 2010. So the correct the choices are A. Chrysotile, B. hornblende, C. actinolite, and D. tremolite. So here the correct answer is chrysotile. Coming to the 15th question, the streak of a mineral is. The choices are A. the color of its powder, B. the cleavage in monochromatic light, C. the breaking due to pressure, D. hardness in different directions. The correct answer is the color of its fine powder of a mineral is known as a streak. Coming to the 16th question, in which mineral there is no cleavage? The choices are A. garnet, B. spinel, C. quartz, D. all of these. So generally quartz does not have cleavage. So coming to the 17th question, aquamarine is a variety of. So the choices are A. corundum, B. microcline, C. tourmaline, D. beryl. So the correct answer is D. beryl. Aquamarine is the blue color variety of beryl, whereas the green color variety of beryl is known as the emerald. Next, 18th question, cyclic twinning is commonly seen in. The choices are A. aragonite, B. starolite, C. plagioclase, D. gypsum. The correct answer is B. starolite. Starolite has a cyclic type of twinning. Coming to the 19th question, starolite is characteristic of which rock type? That means it occurs in what type of rocks? So the choices are A. igneous, B. sedimentary, C. metamorphic, D. none of these. So it is a characteristic of metamorphic rocks. Coming to the 20th question, which mineral has no silicate structure? A. quartz, B. calcite, C. agate, D. muscovite. So here the correct answer is B. calcite. It will come under carbonates, whereas the other minerals, they will come as a silicates. Like quartz, agate, and muscovite, they belongs to silicates, whereas the calcite is a carbonate. Next, coming to the next question, which one of the following is an orthopyroxene? So the choices are A. enstatite, B. agirine, C. tremolite, D. diapside. The correct answer is A. enstatite. So it is an example for orthorhombic pyroxene. Coming to the 22nd question, of the following, the first mineral to form according to the Bowen's reaction series. That means which one will form first in the Bowen's reaction series. So the choices are A. hornblende, B. albite, C. Quartz, D. Olivine. So the correct answer is D. Olivine. Olivine is the first formed mineral, whereas quartz is the last formed mineral. Coming to the 23rd question. Which one of the following contains manganese? So the choices are A. Spessartite, B. Almandite, C. Andradite, and D. Grossularite. All these are the varieties of garnet. So among this, which contains manganese? The question is. So here the correct answer is A. Spessartite. It contains manganese. Coming to the 24th question. Which one of the following is a high temperature potassium feldspar? So the choices are A. Orthoclase, B. Albite, C. Cyanidine, D. Anarthite. So the correct answer is C. Cyanidine. It's a high temperature potash feldspar. 25th question. Which one of the following is not a variety of gypsum? The choices are A. Alabaster, B. Selenite, C. Satin spar, D. Iceland spar. So the correct answer is C. D. Iceland spar. It is a variety of calcite, whereas all these are the alabaster, selenite, satin spar. These are all the varieties of gypsum. I hope you enjoyed all these questions. So these are very useful, and you can have a quick look on this one. So please explore to the geosciences if you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.